Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add another account on your Ellipal Titan 2.0 cold wallet. To do it, click on your profile name at the top in the center. Now click on Add Account. You can create a new one, recover it via a seed phrase, or import it. I'm gonna show you the new account creation here. Let's click on that. Now, you'll need to enter the account name as well as password. Then the password, of course. Enter it. You can enable or disable a passphrase. I'm gonna leave it disabled. Then click on Create Account. Now click on Backup Seed Phrase. Select all of these and read all of these. The seed phrase is very important and make sure that no one will ever have access to it. Now you'll get your seed phrase. Then you should write it somewhere safe. Don't use any internet connected devices to back up the seed phrase. And I'm just gonna back it up with my phone because I know that I'm gonna delete the account in a moment. But if you just use any internet connected device to back up your seed phrase, then there will be no point in having a cold wallet, because your seed phrase is the most important thing here. Click on Next. Now you'll need to tap on the seed phrase in an order. So I get the 1, 6, 15, 16, 17, and 20 to select. And I need to just use that seed phrase to actually do it in the right order to confirm that I know my seed phrase. Now click on Verify Seed Phrase, and the backup was successful. Click on anywhere, then select the coins that you want to have. Click on OK, and now your account is added. If you want to switch to another account, you can simply do it like so. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.